In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to get cheap car insurance UK 18-year-old. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you general tips to find cheap car insurance for an 18-year-old in the UK. So first, consider all of these following tips. Compare prices. You have to use online comparison websites to compare quotes from multiple insurers and find the best deal for your specific needs. So here are four main examples. You have Go Compare, comparethemarket.com, moneysupermarket.com, and finally mustard.co.uk. All of these are going to show us various different quotes for a car or vehicles that allows you to easily compare between them. Next, be aware of your excess. A higher excess, the amount that you pay out of pocket before your insurer covers the claim, can lower your premium. Next, limit your mileage. If you don't drive frequently, consider limiting your annual mileage to reduce your premium once again. And finally, consider black box insurance. Black box insurance uses a device installed in your car to track your driving habits and offer discounts based on safe driving. And of course, take lots of driving courses. Completing recognized driving courses such as Pass Plus can demonstrate your driving skills and potentially lower your premium. Consider multi-policy discounts. So if you have other insurance policies with the same insurer, you may be eligible for discounts, and you should always look for insurers that specialize in young drivers. Some insurers specialize in providing car insurance for young drivers and may offer higher competitive rates. So all that you have to do is click on Get Quotes on all of these websites, and you will be able to fill out all of the necessary information. Once you give out all of this information and you choose the plan that is best suited for you, that doesn't have too many premiums, you will be able to get the best possible price. I hope I was able to help you on how to get cheap car insurance UK 18-year-old. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.